Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What have we got? A brand new Mazda BT-50 in today. Going to get one of our roller shutters, one of our sports bars. We're going to get a set of side steps on it as well, and we're going to address that alarm in the back. And more importantly, we're going to get right into it.
Darkness with the leaves, you might just hear her on the breeze. Trying to call to me inside the raises from the sun. Time has just begun when spring is born and war is won. Hold me downward, wishing well the flick upon well. In this field of tears of both for years, I guess I found her. Made the earth shake, quaking, raising up the birth rate. Yeah, that's the Blair Witch waiting for me on the midnight staircase. Bareface, caught up in the trance from their late. Forever waiting on my love, she got me in the red state. Bleeding red rose, lips to kiss me with the dead rose. Running to the witch, I see him running to the witch, disappearing to the mist. Look, lost some time, my soul's adrift. Look, I think she got me, shot me bleeding out upon street. With the witch there, laser beaming knives upon me. She burned my soul out, 100 times I tried to go light. Up in the low light, blow life on the copper stone hat. Like the smoke rise, drift up underneath the black skies. Cold embrace the roam for days, we can't escape the cat's eyes. Up in the dark too, speak stories under half moon. With the harpoon, 2 hands upon my heart, I can't move. Why you do me like that? Lock my soul away from pain, now all I do is just rap. Got me outside, but look at inside. Broken window panes, still a shame. Darkness trying to build a flame. Feeling strange, looking down, feel away. No wonder got my heart up on a dinner plate. Running to the witch, disappearing to the mist. Lost some time, my soul's adrift.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of this manual roller shutter on this brand new BT-50. While we've got it, we may as well go through the operation. Pull first, press the button, send that bad boy all the way forward, or if you like, you can stop it halfway as well. This one comes with a few little neat features. What you got is you got all interlocking aluminium plates. You cannot cut in between this bad boy with a knife. Full aluminium powder coated construction, and on top of that, we've gone ahead and put a nice, lovely extended arm sports bar, including the brake light, fitted on this one as well to finish off the look. Side steps, you can go have a look. You can see very, very heavy duty. Once again, complementing the all black look that the customer is going for. Black wheels, black side steps, black sports bar, black roller shutter. All black, everything. You want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, notification bell, you know what to do, and I'll see you guys on the next one.